Buddhāvataṃsaka, the Flower Ornament Sutra. Chapter 1. The Wonderful Adornments of the Leaders of the Worlds. Having manifested these clouds, they circled the Buddha to the right, circling him countless hundreds and thousands of times. In whatever direction they came from, there, not far from the Buddha, they magically produced innumerable lotus lion seats of various jewels, and each sat cross-legged thereon. The spheres of actions of these enlightening beings were pure and vast as the sea. They had attained the state of universality, of illumination of knowledge and wisdom. Following the Buddhas, they were unhindered in their actions. They were able to enter the ocean of all principles of discernment and elucidation, and had mastered the teaching of inconceivable liberation. They dwelt in the state of all-sidedness of the Buddhas. They had already mastered all techniques of concentration formulae, and were able to contain the ocean of all the teachings. They dwelt in the stage of equanimous knowledge of past, present, and future. They had attained the immense joy of profound faith. Their boundless stores of blessings were most pure. They observed everywhere in space throughout the cosmos. They diligently made offerings to all Buddhas appearing in any land, in all worlds. At that time, the enlightening being, oceanic wisdom, sovereign king of occult powers, the great spiritual hero, empowered by the Buddha, surveyed the oceans of masses at the scene of enlightenment, and said in verse, "Buddha knows what all Buddhas have realized. Unhindered as space, he illuminates all, his light pervading countless lands everywhere. He sits amidst the hosts, all magnificently pure. The Buddha's virtues cannot be measured. They fill all the cosmos in every direction. Sitting under every enlightenment tree, all the great powers assemble like clouds. Buddha has such spiritual powers, manifesting infinite forms at once. The Buddha's sphere is beyond bounds. Individuals see according to their liberation. Buddha passed oceans of eons working in all realms of being, teaching creatures by various means, having them accept and practice enlightening ways.